is 6:21, and I want to talk to you guys about some momentum. I mean, you cannot lie. Momentum never lies. I mean, when you just be a little bit patient and you just wait for the right opportunities and you just follow those higher time frames, that's pretty much all you guys got to do. So here we go. Here we go. Let's do a little zone mapping. So what do we know? This is what I do, right? Every day I just need 2 zones. That's it. I need 2 zones. I need to know if we've broken through structure, and if we're in between zones. That's my focus. That's my focus. So what did I know? I knew that Euro CHF, I never trade Euro CHF, but it doesn't matter. We broke structure and we're in between zones on the higher time frame. We know that the early mornings have a push when the New York market opens. Even though there's no, U.S. dollar pair, the euro is still going to be moving really nice because it's coming to an end of the session for London. So they want those last pushes in. They want to get that last final price. So we do know that. But here's the thing. These 4-hour time frames, they're always volatile, usually, when the setup prevails, right? Like, look at even here. You can see we had a wick to go fill. This is at 2 a.m. So from 2 a.m. till 6 a.m. we were here. And then when you look at the next day, just the next 4 hours, you can see, well, the momentum is going to keep going. So what do? We follow the plan, right? We follow the plan. You have higher time frame momentum. Check. You've done your daily routines first. Check. Currency meters in favor of trend. So if we're going down, that means that CHF has to be stronger than the euro, right? Like really strong, pushing in that momentum. And what do you got? Do a little screenshot. Boom, euro and CHF. The CHF is much stronger than the euro right now, right? And so what happened? What happened? Let's look at the lower time frames. Look, I just have stop loss and profit now. I've already secured the bag, 7 pips per position. I just wanted to take my money and run, and now I have stop loss in profit. This is where my TP was, that next zone. And then now we just got stop loss in profit running down as far as it wants to go. When you follow these higher time frames, you can scalp the swing. That's what's so cool about following these higher time frames. Because what if you're looking at a higher time frame and you're looking at it around like up here, and you're looking at these times and you scalp the swing? Well, look at what's going on. So you're following the higher time frame, and now you just swung, 40, 50 pips maybe with stop loss in profit. So that's exactly what I'm doing. What if we keep going? I don't know how far we're going. I don't know. But what I do know is that the momentum was there and the momentum prevailed. That's the most important thing. The most important thing is that the momentum was there. We are higher time frame. We are in between zones. So let's look at what the lower time frame did. So that's where I woke up. So what do you got to know? What do you got to know on these minor zones? What you do have to know is that price could potentially pull up here, and price could potentially pull up here. The reason why price can pull here is because price just broke these structures, so that's usually where price returns before dropping. But here's the thing. You just want to wait until candles close, right? So see how this candle closed? The candle closed here. That's already a very, very good short idea. This is already a good short idea because we're not on a zone. So it's not making a 2-1 confirm on a zone to reject. It's just leaving you off with the wick to go fill, and it's rejecting. The 5-minute actually was helping me with that sell because this is how the 5-minute close. Boom, boom, boom. And then, of course, it just continued into that momentum. But the 15-minute was primarily what you want to look at because the higher the time frame, the more concrete the signal is. So what's going on? We got lower highs. We got lower lows. So what do we know? What do we know? I'm going to go into my trading plan in just a second, right? I'm like literally giving you guys a freaking everything you need by watching these videos. All you got to do is go back test and try it yourselves. Just following higher time frame. Lower lows. This is also lower low, whatever. But we're making lower lows and lower highs. That's what we know. We're making lower lows and lower highs, and we are in between zones. So where's your TP? Your TP is always at that next zone. So you're taking shorts on the lower highs. Look, there's your 10 pips already done for the day, right? What more do you need than 10 pips of position? Unless you're some master swing trader who can hold for, I don't know, from January till August. But here's the thing. That was an inside joke for anyone who's in my group. So here's the thing, guys. When you're following momentum, it doesn't lie to you. It doesn't lie to you. So for us, I just went through all my pairs. I literally just kept going through all my pairs like I always do, like USD JAPY, Euro USD. Those are my two main pairs. I didn't like it. I don't like what it's doing. We're strong, we can keep going, but I don't like it. That's it. If you can't tell which direction momentum is going within 3 seconds, don't trade. I don't like it. It's in between. So what, you're gonna put buy stops and then maybe sell stops here? Hedge it? I mean, who knows where it's gonna go, right? What about Euro JAPY? Well, Euro JAPY actually wasn't as bad, just because I left us off with this huge liquidity wave before, so you can know, like, when you're looking at those lower time frames, you can see like it's making lower lows and lower highs, and you can see like right here, like boom, boom. This is signature trade right here. All the guys in my group and the girls in my group know this trade. Signature, first 15 minutes, done. What do I tell you guys? When momentum is happening, it's usually the first 15 minutes you're done. All your profits made. I'm all done for the day. I don't need to trade anymore. I'm going to again, but I don't need to trade anymore because we already caught our move. Lower lows and lower highs. Let's look at CHF JAPY. I think CHF JAPY was moving nice too. Let me look at the 4 hour first. No. It does have this continuation of potential momentum. I don't like it. Let's look at AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD was nice too because look at what AUD USD did. Look. So we broke structure, right? Now you want to look left, right? So if we're here, I don't want to be looking here because to say like, oh my gosh, like we're going way down here right now, I don't like that as much. I shouldn't have deleted that. But what I do know is that we broke this structure, and now this is a very, very good idea for our next destination. So you say, okay, well, we're about at least, let's just say like 13 pips to the next zone. So what did the 15-minute time frame do? Oh, would you look at that? Lower lows and lower highs. We broke structure here through London. Boom. We made our big pullback, but then look, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. A little signature trade here, lower high, right in time for the 4 hour candle to open. And look at what we did. It's not very many pips right now. It's only at 5 it seems, but I believe that it's going to keep going. And if we look at the currency strength, so we're looking at AUD USD, the Australian dollar, the US dollar's got to be stronger than AUD, and it is. Maybe it's going to go even more. Let's check. Yes, it's gaining even more strength, right? So we're going down. Why not? Why not? The 4 hour momentum is pretty clear. It's pretty clear that we do want to go down. And I would say that we're going down to at least here. What else do we got? Oh, AUD JAPY. I actually did enter into AUD JAPY, but then I closed my entries because I didn't like it. I didn't like it that it didn't have like a little pullback yet. So I ended up, I actually sold 2 right here. I sold just 2 entries here, and I closed it at like 2 pips. I was like, you know what? I don't like it. I don't want to be in it right now. I was focusing on the other pair. Shoot, what was I trading? I'm getting confused with all these pairs now. Let me see. Euro CHF. That's what I traded. Euro CHF. But look at what AUD JAPY did. Check it out. Look how strong this was. Look how strong it is. It's just strong. We're probably going down into this whole range. I wouldn't doubt it. Too strong. In this whole range, we're going to go there this morning. Almost guaranteed. Almost guaranteed. And the lower time frames making lower lows and lower highs. We just broke here. So this is probably where we're pulling back to. We're probably going to make pullbacks here. It's probably going to end up touching the 14 EMA and continue into momentum going bearish. And if you look here on the currency strength meter, the AUD and the JAPY, the Japanese yen is much stronger. So just follow the momentum. But for me, the best thing was the Euro CHF, right? Yeah. It was Euro CHF. I don't even trade Euro CHF, but I can trade anything. You guys all should be able to trade anything. Does it matter? So what do? If we're trade if, I'm just going to go back to my trading plan because I skipped some stuff. Trade if you have a clear mindset, right? That's personal to me, right? Because this is my trading plan. You can identify structure. That's important. Were we able to identify the structure? Price was making lower lows and lower highs. So we are identifying structure as bearish. We are going down. Currency meter. Wait, let's go back to the plan so that we can go over the currency meter again. Oh, because we already did go over the currency meter. And you plotted out zones. That's very important. And I need to add this in there. You plotted out your zones. Very important. This is like being in between zones makes all the difference. Being in between zones makes all the difference. If you're on a zone, if you're already on a zone, it's not healthy. No, not healthy at all. Because if you're already on the zone, that means that what if it's going to set up in reverse? What if it changes structure, does a 2-1 off of support, and then reverses? I do it too many times. I literally rush way too many trades, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to enter now. And all it was like a super engulfing bearish candle hitting support and then reverse. I mean, it happened to us on USD Jappy like earlier this or last week. And it just pissed me off. And it was just a little bit of patience. That's it. You just need to be patient. It doesn't matter how good of a trader you are. If you don't have the patience, you're going to lose every time. You can clearly see which direction momentum is going. That's like one of the most important things. When I look at a chart, I want to be when me and my group look at a chart, we want to be able to easily say that momentum is going up or down right now. That's it. That's it. That's it. You want to be able to spot that momentum right now. And this is the only way that our team trading plan works. Right? We're in between zones. Right? In between zones. This is price action, guys. This is like price action in just a form that nobody's ever taught you and you're learning for free right now. In between zones. Broken structure. Where's the structure broken? My coins are being like staked right now. We broke structure in between zones. Broke structure in between zones. 15-minute time frame. I shouldn't have deleted all those. Lower lows and lower highs. That's it, guys. That's it. Right? We're making lower lows and lower highs. What does that mean? That we have bearish structure. Higher time frames in between zones with a 4-hour wick to go fill. What does that mean? We're going down probably. Currency meter. Currency meter just said that the CHF is much stronger than the euro. What does that mean? We're going to follow the CHF, which is going bearish because the CHF is worth less than the US dollar is. I mean, than the euro is. So we're going to follow the direction of that currency. So what do? Sell the lower highs. Right? As for me, I'm not up at 3 a.m. here or 4 a.m. So for me, my lower high is going to be around the time that the candle's about to open. Then as you can see, as we sold, now into that next zone, that's already your profit target. That's my profit target. My profit target is always 10 pips. If I have 5 to 10 entries open and I'm at 10 pips, I'm closing about 50 to 70% of those and I'm only leaving a few with stop loss and profit for swing. Because I just capitalize on all my percentage right now and then you leave the rest to swing. Following that higher time frame momentum. That's it. That's it. And it's still going. My stop loss and profit. That's it, guys. That's it. I hope you guys are learning something from this. I mean, I know you are. I don't even need to say I hope because everybody sends me messages. But anyways, guys, I just want to lay it all out there and just let you know how, what has helped me improve in my trading, how following the higher time frames just saved me. Because look, like I don't trade Euro CHF, but if I just keep scrolling through pairs, eventually you're going to see a setup where you're in between zones and the higher time frame is confirmed going bearish. Look, now I'm at 12 pips. TP. I bet you had already hit my TP. I put a TP of 12. Oh no, I'm almost there. Oh damn. Wow, we're about to slam TP right now. Boom, just slam TP right now. There it is. Actually, we're like 1 pip away. I'm just gonna close it. Done. I don't trade on my phone, but I just closed it on my phone. So that was a big move. That was a big move. And that, my friends, is how you trade momentum following the higher time frames. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. In between zones, guys. In between zones. Look at that. Boom! Right? TP smashed. What was stopping her, guys? Price action is price action. It doesn't matter the pair. It doesn't matter the pair. So anyways, guys, hey, I'm glad you watched my video. I hope you liked it. Follow me, of course. My Instagram is the Wolf of FX. My email is wolfswagen@icloud.com. My Facebook, if you want to add me on Facebook. If you add me on Facebook, please send me a message because I get way too many friend requests every day. I delete tons of people. So, that's my name. Leave it up there for a second. Anyways, guys, hey, see you on the next one.